This is Highland Hill Farm in Fountainville, PA, and we do allow you to bring your dog when you come to Highland Hill Farm. Or if you just want to bring your dog and go for a walk, you can. And whatever kind of dog you have, you are welcome to bring it. Highland Hill Farm is a tree farm on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. You can give us a call for your trees and shrubs at 215 651 8329.
I can't believe it doesn't mind having that like on it.
I did earlier
I think
because
as long as there's food around.
Yeah. I like that it's hot pink.
It's for the girls. The girls gotta have pink.
That's right. The hem.
Right.
So when it goes to the bathroom, how do I get to get up?
I have to clean up after.
Pick up after your chickens in the farm. You have to walk